Alrighty, my legends, welcome to volume 4 of the low and slow build 1.8 litre J18. She's certainly getting there. Got a radiator to suit the spot that I had, the space that I had, made all these brackets, fitted it in. Got a little thermo fan on the outside. It's a 3-core radiator, so it's going to do plenty of a good job. Teed up all the overflow bottle. Got the pod where I'm happy with. What else have I done? Washer bottle. I redid all the wiring heading to the starter motor and alternator. Just heavy duty'd it and got rid of the 30-year-old shit that was there before, more than 30 years old. I've done the belt to the alternator, water pump, did new water pump, and decided to put a little idler pulley on there. I'm hoping that setup will be alright. There's not a lot of contact on the crank. I can't really show you that, but yeah, I'm hoping it'll be alright. I'm not just going to squeal on the crank because it's not got a lot of volume on it, but we'll see how it goes on startup. But yeah, we're almost there. I've just got to get a bunch of hoses to drum into the engine. I bought one for here, but it was a tiny bit too short, so that sucks. But yeah, this one's going to run up here and drum into the back up here. I'm having a mate make me a new one out of stainless that's going to have an elbow on it. I've also drummed up all the hoses for the heater core. That's all done. But yeah, a lot's happened. A lot of little fiddly things that just add up and take ages, and yeah, everything's so tight. I also had to make this custom alternator bracket, so I was able to adjust that belt nicely. So that's sitting pretty as well. But yeah, happy days. We're getting somewhere. So keen to see how this thing runs with this motor in it. Alrighty, my dudes, I did take a bit of a break from the Drover build because it was silly season, aka Christmas. Took both the Suzukis out for a bit of a beach run. Did quite a few little trips over Christmas. But yeah, I thought you would enjoy a bit of the content from the other Zooks just for a little bit, and then we'll get back stuck into the build in the new year. But yeah, this is Chains Beach in Albany, Western Australia, one of my favourite spots. Got the fatty having a bit of fun in two-wheel drive. Spinning some wheels and getting stuck in their own business. But anyway, I'll let you enjoy this and we'll get back to the build. Cheers. Alrighty, so today I'm doing the fuel tank and high pressure fuel pump. This is a tank I've had in storage. I internally cleaned and painted it, so there's no rust going on in there. I'm just going to chuck this in and then rig up this high pressure fuel pump. Happy days. Okay, so I haven't got any of the wiring loom in yet, but I'm just giving it a turn over to make sure everything's tickety-boo with the old starter motor and all the rewiring I did there. Yeah, she's got a bit of a good turnover, so happy with that. Rigged up the high pressure fuel pump, got that all in, happy days. Bracketed up and filtered off and wired in. So yeah, all we got to do is wiring loom now and that engine might be able to turn over. Alrighty, and with great difficulty the exhaust is completely done. Headers, pipe, original exhaust, pretty good condition still, so I've just tapped into that. running all the way out the back. All sorted. Wasn't fun, but she's done. So what we've got now is finish the cooling, one piece, and then wiring, and we are good to go for a startup. So keen. Guys, thanks for tuning in to this Low and Slow Build Volume 4. So keen to get this thing running. I hope you guys stay tuned to catch that happen. Cheers for the watch, guys.